Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Tell us about yourself.
My name is Revati. I have done my data analyst courses, and I am recently graduated from computer science engineering, and I am also interested in AI related roles. That's all about me. Thank you.
Tell me about your family background.
So I have in my family four members: my brother, my mother, and grandmother, and me. And of course, my family supported me for the higher education and for the future jobs to prepare for the future jobs and. Also they encourage me to do extra classes for to build a new skills. That's it. Thank you.
Okay, tell me, who inspire you?
My most of the inspiration is APJ Abdul Kalam and Manmohan Singh. That's very much educated. They are the most educated person, and also president and PM also. They are, and also they inspire me for the do the to force myself um, to do new to build a new skills and to do higher education so that I can do my best in for the career opportunity. That's all. Thank you.
That's such a great answer. Tell me what you have done in your BTech.
No, I am not done in BTech. I am done B,
Okay.
and this is a 3 year my graduation. I have done Polytechnic. After that, I take admission in direct second year in B, and I done my 3 years of computer engineering.
Okay, there is a facility after 10th. You joined Polytechnic after 10th.
No, I done my 10th, and after that I done 11th, 12th, and then I done
After
Poly.
12th, you joined Poly.
Poly,
And
I
after
take
that, you
admission.
directly take admission for
Engineering.
second year in
Yes.
engineering. So, okay, these two people inspire you a lot. Tell me something about these two people.
So I am not very much know like deep. No, I don't have a deep knowledge, but I only know that they are a very good economist and also a good scientist. So it's inspired me because I am very fortunate. I am not very know all about them. All about their or no, I don't know. I don't have knowledge about that, but I can. I'm currently getting my knowledge through the internet, of course, and I'm doing my best for to learn about them. So
What you learn in that degree or course?
sorry.
What you learn in that course?
B.
Oh.
Um, in my B computer science, there are very various subjects like M3 also, and most of the difficult subject I have thought is like M3. That's the most difficult, and also talk. That's a theory of computation. These are that subject is logical based. So I for me it's a very difficult subject and it's take us so much time to learn about the subject to get the knowledge of this subject because there are four or five subject in my semester and this and the talk subject is very difficult for me so so that's it. Thank you.
So you have done BE, but you don't like maths.
Yes.
Tell me why you don't like maths, and if you don't like, then why you pursued BE degree?
So in my first to 10th, I like math subject, but after I take admission in Poly and B, then the M1, M2, M3 came. So this subject become very difficult for me to learn, and it's not like you can say that why you take a B for you don't like maths. It's not like that because it's only one or two subject. Every semester we have a maths. Like in poly, I have M1 first semester, second semester M2, and in engineering I have a M3 subject. Only one subject I have M3. After that, I don't have any math subject. Only a computer based subject.
Okay.
So that's.
Okay, tell me, there are many students who directly join engineering first year, from first year. So, is there any experience or beneficial things after doing your polytechnic?
So it's not that I have like I can say that it's a personal choice. Someone has a personal choice. Someone has to take admission in after 12th in direct engineering. Some of the students take in diploma because in the diploma we have a diploma degree and you can apply for the jobs role. So it's a personal choice who want to do a diploma, poly, or engineering degree. So it's a personal choice. That's my belief.
So, you want to do PG,
PG?
post graduation?
No, I don't want to because right now I want to take a job because I don't want to in the future if I can get a chance. I think I right now I don't want to do anything because I only want to do a job. So and after job I think if in the future I want to do something, then I can do MBA, but not the postgraduate. I don't have that confidence that
Okay.
to do PG.
Okay. Tell me what you know about Oxford classes.
So first of all, I'm not very confident in my communication and English. Then I came to the class and take admission. Then I build my confidence and communication. And right now I'm sitting here and doing my giving you an interview. So I think it's very beneficial for me to join these classes, and you can see the real life example. So it's I can only say that you should everyone should join these classes to build their communication and their confidence.
What one skill you want to learn in this year?
I want to learn cloud computing because in this IT industry, cloud is most of the like every like in IT have various uh, various skills and they prefer some of the skill, but cloud computing is this skills everyone wants in the employee. So I want to learn a cloud computing in the not the like professional level, but I want to learn as a basic level also. So I can understand the basic of the cloud computing concept.
Okay, can you tell me something about your
So I don't have a father. I have a single mother. So my mother is doing her jobs, and it's a very place for me, for my brother also, that I have a mother such like that doing her best to provide us a wonderful opportunity and also giving a best education for us, because it's very difficult for a single mother, and I'm very proud of her. She's doing her work.
that means you learn how
Yes.
to work in hardships
Yes.
or in difficult situations.
Yes.
Very good.